Over the past few decades, Turkey has demonstrated rapid progress in its domestic defense industry. One significant milestone in this development was the mass production of the Korkut short-range air defense system, a system designed to protect ground troops and strategic assets from modern air threats such as fighter jets, helicopters, and drones. The Korkut system was developed by Turkey's leading defense company, ASELSAN, in collaboration with various military and industrial institutions. This project is part of Turkey's grand strategy to reduce dependence on imported weapon systems and enhance its self-sufficient national defense capability. Response: the Korkut program was launched to create a mobile air defense system capable of operating in a variety of terrain conditions. This system is designed to provide protection for mechanized units and combat vehicles, particularly for the Turkish Armed Forces on the front lines. Korkut is an amphibious, armored vehicle-based air defense system equipped with a 35mm AUTO-MATIC cannon. The system consists of two main components: a command and control vehicle (KKA) and a weapons vehicle (SSA). Mechanized units and combat vehicles, particularly for the Turkish Armed Forces on the front lines. Korkut is an amphibious, armored vehicle-based air defense system equipped with a 35mm AUTO. This system uses a twin 35mm cannon, capable of firing hundreds of rounds per minute. With specialized ammunition such as airburst, the Korkut is highly effective against small drones that are difficult to hit with conventional ammunition. System's reliability on the battlefield. This system uses a twin 35mm cannon, capable of firing hundreds of rounds per minute. With specialized ammunition such as airburst, the Korkut is highly effective against small drones that are difficult to hit with conventional ammunition. Mounted on a tracked amphibious vehicle, the Korkut boasts excellent mobility in various terrains, including rough terrain and shallow waters. This allows the system to move alongside frontline combat troops. The Korkut can be connected to a broader air defense network, allowing integration with other systems. This makes it part of a layered air defense system. In the modern air defense concept, no single system can handle all types of threats. Therefore, systems like the Korkut serve as a short-range air defense layer, complementing medium and long-range systems. The Korkut's primary advantage lies in its ability to counter modern threats such as drone swarms attacks by large numbers of drones. In today's conflicts, drones pose a serious threat due to their small size, low cost, and difficulty in detecting. The Korkut overcomes these weaknesses with a combination of precision radar and smart munitions. Furthermore, this system boasts a fast reaction time, enabling it to respond to threats within seconds. This is crucial in dynamic combat situations. The use of the Korkut demonstrates how defense technology continues to evolve to address increasingly complex threats. With its combination of mobility, high firepower, and advanced sensor systems, the Korkut is an example of significant innovation in the modern military. After undergoing various testing and evaluation stages, Korkut officially entered mass production. This production phase marks Turkey's readiness to meet its own military needs, while also opening up export opportunities to other countries. Mass production allows for a significant increase in the number of units in a relatively short time. This is crucial given the growing need for air defense systems in various conflict zones. Furthermore, the successful mass production of Korkut also reflects the maturity of the Turkish defense industry, not only in terms of technology, but also in production, management, logistics, and human resource development. The need for a short-range air defense system has become increasingly urgent with the advancement of air attack technology, particularly the use of drones and precision-guided munitions. Turkey recognizes that legacy systems are no longer effective against modern threats that are increasingly fast, small, and difficult to detect. In the context of modern warfare, air threats are no longer dominated by conventional fighter jets. Armed drones, loitering munitions, and cruise missiles are now the primary threats, requiring a quick and accurate response. Korkut is designed to address these challenges with its rapid detection and automated response capabilities. This system is highly effective as a last-line defense, close-in air defense, protecting military units from surprise attacks. Furthermore, Korkut also plays a role in strengthening the layered air defense system, where various defense systems work together to create maximum protection. The mass production of Korkut has had a significant positive impact on the Turkish defense industry. Some of these impacts include: Turkey is increasingly able to develop military technology independently without relying on other countries. The Korkut system has significant potential for export to countries requiring modern air defense systems at a relatively competitive cost. This project opens up numerous job opportunities in the high-tech and manufacturing sectors. The ability to produce its own defense systems enhances Turkey's position in the global arena. Challenges and the future. Despite significant progress, Korkut's development is not without challenges. Global competition in the defense industry is intense, with many countries also developing similar systems. Furthermore, air threats continue to evolve, requiring Korkut to be continually updated to remain relevant. Integration with artificial intelligence technology, radar enhancements, and the development of new ammunition are future development focuses. Turkey is also continuing to work to improve the system's interoperability with other platforms, including medium and long-range air defense systems. The mass production of the Korkut air defense system represents a major step for Turkey in strengthening its national defense and building its military-industrial independence. With its advanced capabilities, high mobility, and effectiveness against modern threats, Korkut has become a symbol of Turkey's defense technology success. Going forward, this system